What's up guys, in this video we're unboxing the Nuby Oral Care Set 4-stage system. Now this thing comes in this fancy plastic container, which is surprisingly hard to open. Now at the bottom and the top there's these plastic clips. There's 3. And it makes it seem like, you can easily kind of lift it and then pull this up, but it is not that easy to do, at least from my experience. To just get those, and you have to kind of get all 3 at the same time to be able to pull this out, but that is what's holding this bottom in. So the way we'll easily open this is we'll just take our scissors and then cut that plastic right here, this part right here, and this one. And this one is particularly hard to get without cutting because it's very stiff here. So let's just cut it. Alright, so that slides out. Now we've got our 4 toothbrushes, and we've got a small instructions. And we can remove this plastic holding the brush heads on. And then we do have this nifty little stand for our toothbrushes. So that's it for this video, unboxing the Nuby Oral Care Set 4-stage system. If this helped you, give a like, and I'll see you in the next video.